Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a versatile kitchen appliance that could be a game changer for your cooking experience, the TOSHIBA AC25CEW-SS Large 6-Slice Convection Toaster Oven. We found this product online and have included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. The TOSHIBA AC25CEW-SS is not just any toaster oven, it's a 10-in-1 convection toaster oven that allows you to toast, bake, broil, and even rotisserie your favorite foods. With a powerful 1,500 watts of output, this appliance promises not only efficiency but also a range of cooking functions that cater to various culinary needs. Whether you're looking to whip up breakfast, lunch, or dinner, this toaster oven has got you covered. Let's talk about its standout features. First off, the versatility of this unit is impressive. It offers 10 different cooking functions: toast, bake, broil, pizza, cookies, defrost, reheat, rotisserie, keep warm, and convection. This means you can prepare everything from a simple slice of toast to a full rotisserie chicken with ease. The convection fan circulates hot air, ensuring even cooking and quicker meal preparation, making it a great addition to any busy kitchen. The TOSHIBA AC25CEW-SS has a generous capacity, which is ideal for families or anyone who loves to entertain. It can hold up to 6 slices of bread or fit a 12-inch pizza, making it perfect for family meals or gatherings. The larger interior can accommodate casseroles, cookies, and even a 4-pound chicken. Its external dimensions are approximately 18.98 inches by 15.59 inches by 10.78 inches, providing ample cooking space without taking up too much counter space. Ease of use is another highlight of this toaster oven. It features 3 control knobs, each equipped with a large, high-contrast LCD display, allowing you to quickly adjust cooking settings and monitor your food. You won't have to squint or struggle to see the settings, making it user-friendly for everyone, from cooking novices to seasoned chefs. The adjustable temperature control is another notable feature. With a temperature range of 150 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, you can easily find the perfect heat for whatever you're cooking. Plus, it maintains a consistent temperature for up to 2 hours, ensuring your meals are cooked just right. This toaster oven comes with 6 accessories, making it even more practical. You'll receive a removable crumb tray for easy cleanup, a rotisserie kit and lifter for roasting meats, a baking rack, a baking pan, and a rack clamp. These accessories make it simple to get started right out of the box, allowing you to experiment with different cooking methods and recipes. So, who is this toaster oven suitable for? If you're a busy parent looking to streamline meal prep, a student with limited kitchen space, or someone who simply enjoys cooking without the hassle of using multiple appliances, the TOSHIBA AC25CEW-SS could be the perfect fit for you. It's also great for those who love to entertain, as its capacity means you can prepare larger meals without juggling multiple pots and pans. To wrap it up, the TOSHIBA AC25CEW-SS Large 6-Slice Convection Toaster Oven stands out with its versatility, ease of use, and family-sized capacity. Whether you want to toast, bake, or broil, this appliance can handle it all, making it an excellent addition to any kitchen. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.